from sleepless nights, you may be suffering from sleep apnea. Sleep apnea is caused by a blockage of the airway, resulting in the temporary stoppage of breath during sleep. This often happens when the jaw goes back and the tongue falls into the throat.
This decrease in oxygen can have damaging effects on the brain and the cardiovascular system. It can also lead to frequent awakenings or arousals at night, which results in the patient being very fatigued during the day.
Well, now there is a solution. Respire medical oral sleep devices place the jaw in a position to help maintain an open airway during sleep. Our custom-made sleep devices are sleek and ergonomically designed with acrylic. They allow for freedom of lateral and vertical movements, along while creating more space for the tongue.
What Respire is able to do is they are experts and specialists in creating and manufacturing oral appliances. And what I like about their appliances is they not only treat the sleep apnea and snoring, but they are specially designed to be kind and sensitive to considerations of the jaw joint.
And an at-home sleep study can help map out your sleep and determine the severity of your sleep apnea. Following those results, the dentist then measures the airway using acoustic sound waves to determine the best jaw position. A record of this is taken along with the molds of the patient's teeth.
Sleep apnea has reached epidemic proportions in the United States, and up to 90% of these patients are still undiagnosed. One of the reasons that dentists have gotten involved in this field is that 90% of the obstruction occurs at the level behind the upper and lower jaws, or at the soft palate and the tongue.
The typical patient we think of is the 50-year-old, 55-year-old man sleeping on the couch, big belly, television clicker on his belly, TV going, and he's sleeping on the couch snoring away. What we don't want to do is over-stereotype snoring and sleep apnea. We treat many patients who are younger, particularly thin, many women, patients who are in shape. We also treat many patients who are on the other side. They are much older.
Putting on your device is very easy, and once in bed you will be able to fall asleep knowing that your sleep will be healthier and will not be interrupted, and neither will your partner's sleep. You should feel much more refreshed and energetic throughout your day with the knowledge you are getting healthier.
Quality control has been a huge part of our growth here at Respire Medical. The technicians have to follow a strict set of instructions as they go through the manufacturing process, and then when the case is complete and it's ready to be shipped back to the doctor, it's around about a 20-30 minute process. The models are then re-articulated, the bite is checked, the fit is checked, just to make sure that the quality of product is as it should be.